Harbin, the capital city of China's northernmost Heilongjiang province, opened several ice and snow-themed parks this winter, attracting many foreign tourists.
我是美国人，我们西西一来哈尔滨，我们觉得是非常冷，还很漂亮。
We've really missed the snow. When I grew up with snow, and so we've missed it a lot living in South China where it's very hot. So this is nice for us.
Very impressive everything. I like it a lot. In every country that I've been in, I've never seen a snow sculpture this big before. It's very beautiful.
Well, it's impressive. It's very large. I wonder how the people do it up there. Also over there were some very nice sculptures. I have to say it's really impressive. Never seen such a thing in the world so far.
The reason we wanted to come here was we wanted to see a different part of China than what I'm used to.
我们有一个 YouTube 频道，我们要给别人看中国是很漂亮的国家。